Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Samsung Galaxy A04s does have the fingerprint sensor. And to do this you will need to open the settings. Now look for the security or biometrics tab. Security and privacy, inside we can find the biometrics. Let's go for lock screen. Yep, there's a fingerprint, so that confirms it. This device does have the fingerprint. Now let's try to locate where exactly it's placed. And it's right here on the unlock or power key. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.